All right, here's my public service announcement for the morning. If you are considering surgery and you have had a consultation, or if you have had surgery, do not slide into some random doctor's DMs and ask them questions. Call your own doctor. I had somebody message me on one of the apps saying, hey, my wife is thinking of doing breast dog and here's her weight and this is the size she wants to be. What do you think about high profile versus moderate profile? Sir, I don't know. I have never seen your wife. I have no idea what she looks like. I have not taken measurements. I have no way of knowing this. Or I'll have somebody DM me about I'm having this kind of pain a week post-op. I don't know. You need to call your own doctor instead of asking for advice from some random surgeon. It's interesting to me that people do this, and I'm curious why. If you've ever thought about doing this or you know somebody who has, drop in the comments. Tell me why you would ask some random surgeon. Now, I do understand some doctors can be hard to get a hold of, and that is a whole other issue. But your doctor knows you best, and calling them is always the best first step. Now, side note on that, on doctors being tough to get a hold of, because I only do elective cosmetic cases, I don't have as many patients as somebody who has an insurance panel where you have to take on more patients just to pay the bills. So I have the luxury of giving all of my surgical patients my cell phone number so they can text me. And that is delightful because they can just reach out anytime with questions as simple as hey, was I supposed to put this back on after I shower? Yes, it's so much easier than going through a phone tree or leaving a message with the nurse. So I love being able to do that for them. That is one of the big questions to ask your surgeon if you're considering surgery. How do I contact you after surgery with questions? What's the usual time to get back to me?